implementers, while 80 hours doon pa rin po sa ating mga regular na grade 12. Okay? So, again, for grade 12 ito. But the change is now, maaari po tayong mag-implement ng work immersion hindi naman ng second term or second semester, but there will be other flexibility in the implementation of the work immersion. Next. Okay, field exposure, para kanina po ito. Ang field exposure from the meeting itself, ini-expose natin yung mga learners natin in the different career pathways. In terms of what? Kung naalala niyo po meron tayong class before, right? Yung mga class natin, they have the flexibility to choose what subjects they are going to take kasi hindi pa sila decided on career pathways. So similarly, ito yung pagkakaalit sa field exposure. But this time, it will be the school and the school head who will decide on the design of the field exposure. Kayo po ang maggagawa nito in your planning for the school year kung saan pupunta yung mga bata. Because the field exposure, hindi mag-demonstrate ng skills yung bata. But instead, they will be able to see ano ba yung meron sa food service industry? Ano ba yung meron sa healthcare services? Ano yung meron sa BPO? Kung paano at kailan ito gagawin, nakaschedule siya. Kasi meron naman siyang 40 hours. I-discuss ko mamaya, bakit siya 40 hours lang. But then again, ang field exposure, schedule. Sino ang maging schedule?
School head.
School head, together with the teacher. Sino yung teacher? The subject teacher of the field exposure. Next. Arts apprenticeship. So sing, kung dati may sports, may youth, physical track, ngayon meron na tayong concentration on arts. Now for the arts apprenticeship, similarly dito sa pag-execute ng field exposure. Hindi siya hands-on, hindi siya work immersion, but instead, a learner or learners, a group of learners will be visiting, we're going to have benchmarking, or going to witness theater, performance, pwede din po itong magkanda kayo in school, mag-design kayo ng concert, you will be inviting the source person, artist, artisan, any pagkapos sa arts apprenticeship. Kaya nga, apprenticeship, meaning to say, appreciate the arts. So say, ang school ang